Welcome to Little Learners, where we learn, play, and grow together. Hello, childrens. Today we are going to learn some amazing birds' name. Let's start. This is a parrot. 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 Parrots are colorful and smart birds. They can even copy what we say. This is a crow. 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 Crows are black in color. And next bird is pigeon. 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 Here comes peacock. 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 Peacocks have colorful feathers and they love to dance in the rain. Next one is owl. O-W-L. Owl. Owl is wise and love the nights. Next is eagle. E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. Eagles are very strong and fly high in the sky. Next one is hen. H-E-N. Hen. Hen lay white eggs. Next one is duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Ducks love swimming and do quack quack all the day. This is a sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-O-W. Sparrow. They are small and hop around. Here comes flamingo. F-L-A-M-I-N-G-O. Flamingo. Flamingos are pink in color and often stand on one leg. Great job, little learners. Now you know the names of so many birds. That's it, kids. See you in the next time in another fun learning video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Little Learners.